Hello, hello, and happy St. Patrick's Day. I am here today to talk about pattern mixing. I was a little bit on the struggle bus this morning when I was getting dressed and trying to decide what I wanted to wear with this cute camo skirt. This is a last year's camo. It's kind of a floral camo, which is interesting. And I truly was like, what am I going to wear with this skirt? I had a few options and I was kind of going with the plain options first, and I just thought they were boring. I just wasn't feeling it. I had a white shirt, I had two green shirts to choose from, and they all would have worked. They all would have been just fine with this camo, but I just wasn't feeling it. And I think that I was inspired because one of my clients that I'm working on some outfits for loves to mix patterns. So I thought, well, I'll go over mixing patterns with you today. I ended up wearing this, which is a smaller pattern, almost like a leopard print, some of the green and the black from the camo skirt. And the reason that works is because it's a smaller print and a larger print together. A lot of times you'll see that combination. Now, if I did a smaller print with another smaller print and the colors didn't match, then that doesn't go at all, right? It really doesn't go. You want to pick a color or two from whatever you're trying to match up, and then find a print that coordinates with it but doesn't necessarily match. A lot of times you'll see, for instance, this is a great match with this, a polka dot with this skirt. I wear this quite often together. That works because it's got the brown, it's got the ivory. This striped top would also work because it's a narrower stripe with the larger print of the camo. Tried this and it did not work. It's just got too much going on. Some people might be able to pull it off. You might be able to pull it off if you put cardigan over it or something like that. That's plain. This also, I was not feeling it, although I think you could make it work. It's a smaller print, but it has, I don't know, almost a larger print going through it. I love a good stripe with camo, and stripes and polka dots look really good together. If you've got big polka dots, smaller stripes, or vice versa, larger stripes with smaller polka dots. If I was wearing a plain top, I think I could make this work as well. This plaid. You put some patterns together and you're feeling it, do it. Because I get so bored with seeing and wearing myself. I've got a pattern, so I've got to put a plain with it. You don't have to. You can mix your patterns together and have a little bit of fun with your wardrobe. But remember to, number one, find one continuous color story within it. Number two, small print with a large print. And number three, have fun. See you soon. Bye.